Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is Down on the Farm, so that's anything that you would find on a farm. And then next week's theme is To Use a Monkey. All right, and so each week we also enter our challenges into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and it was so good to see her this week when she posted this video this past week. So if you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. All right, so anyways, let me go ahead and get started. These are what I used to create my project today, and so I am using Country Charm. This stamp set is from Cards TV Stamps, and she is no longer selling stamps if I'm not mistaken. Also from LDRS, I'm using this die right here, and it's called Cutting Edge Borders. I'm not sure if they still have that in their shop, I don't know. Elizabeth's Crafts, I'm using Dashing Rectangles, and I'm using the one that's next to the largest one. And then also, this is where I picked up my Down on the Farm items, and I'm using this barn along with some other elements. And this one is called Picture Perfect Autumn. And so let me show you my card. And here goes this beautiful little card. Doesn't it look like you're just driving by and happen to catch a glimpse of this beautifully colored barn? I love the color. Turquoise is really becoming one of my favorite colors, and then it just screams autumn to me, and I love autumn anyways. But anyways, that is what I made, and this is really screaming Country Charm to me. It is so cute. I love it. There goes the inside of my card. Just pretty basic, but love this little image. It's adorable. Love it. So I would like to see what you have created for Down on the Farm. So make sure you use our hashtag Two Crafters One Design. Also enter your projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And that is all I have for you. Remember, next week's theme is Monkey. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.